Today we will learn functions or mappings. So first question arises that what is functions or mappings? Okay, so we will have the definition here. Let x, capital X and capital Y be two non-empty sets. Be two non-empty sets if there exists a rule f which associates to every element x belongs to capital X, a unique element y belongs to capital Y. Okay, then such a rule f function is denoted by f is called a function or mapping from the set x to the set capital Y. So here this is very important, and there will be two non-empty sets. Then think that it is a domain, it is nothing but x, and this is codomain, and we call this as Y codomain. Okay, think that there are some elements like this, and here this element is associated with this element. Similarly this is also, similarly this is also. So this is x, this is y, so it is denoted by f from x to y. Okay, it is domain and it is codomain. The elements of x is known as domain, the elements of y is known as codomain. Okay, and these elements which are associated with these elements, when we put the value of these elements, you will get these answers. So this is nothing but, these elements are nothing but, here we call this as a range. Okay, for example, if I take a function f from real to real, if I take like this, so if I put the real number here 1, so here in codomain you will get r to r, means in codomain if you put 1 means I will consider one example, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. It is a function. If you put 1, f of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 plus 3, that is 5 you will get. If you put 2, you will get 2 into 2, 4, 4 plus 3, here you will get 7. If you put 1 by 2, here 2 into 1 by 2 is 2, get cancels, 1 plus 3, it is 4. So 5 is the image of 1 and 7 is the image of 2. Similarly 4 is the image of 1 by 2. Okay, then now we will have the type of function. Here before the learning types of functions, you can see here function means there should not be no element empty. Here means each and every element which are present in domain should have at least one image in the codomain. Like this, one number if you write here, you are having one image 5. Similarly 2, one element you are putting in this function, so you are getting 7. So suppose if I write here another one more, if I extend and if I write like this 1 2 3, and you are having like this also here 1 2, one image for example. Okay, it is not having any image here, means it is not a function, you cannot say it is a function. Okay, now we will learn the types of functions. Okay, now we will learn in function there are two types, one function and many-one function. One function is also known as injective, many-one function is also known as surjective, or many-one function is also known as onto also. This is also correct, onto, both are correct. Okay, so when we say one and when we say a function is many-one, when we say a function is one and when we say the function is many-one. Okay, that one example I will consider, so that you will get one function I will consider a real to real. So this is nothing but your x and this is nothing but y, means this is domain and this is codomain. If you put here in domain real number, you will get in the codomain real number. That is the meaning of f to r to r, f from r to r. So one example you will take, f of x is equal to 2x plus 3, it is a function. Okay, so the same example we will consider here. See here, it is a real number and this is also real number. If you put 1 here in this function, you will get what here? 5, as we studied just now. If you put 2 here, 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 3 7. If you put 1 by 2, you will get what here? 4. So these are nothing but images, okay, of these elements. So these are nothing but elements. When you put these elements, you will get the output. These are nothing but they are the images of the corresponding elements. Okay, 5 is the image of 1, 7 is the image of 2, 4 is the image of 1 by 2, like that. Okay, so here the important thing that, the very important thing that, instead of this, if I put here x1 as an element, what you will get here? F of x1, because you have put here 1, means if it is 1 here, means here it is f of 1, means here x1 means here f of x1, correct? Similarly here if we put 2, means x is equal to 2, means x value if you put, you will get here f of 2, correct? Here also x1 if you put, you will get what? F of x1. Suppose if you put here x2, you will get what? F of x2 you will get. So I will consider some separate domain and this is codomain. If you put like this, if x1 if you consider, you will get f of x1. If you x2 if you consider, you will get f of x2. Suppose think that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2, think that this we are assuming. If it happens like this, then that implies what? x1 is equal to x2. If x1 is equal to x2, f of x1 is equal to f of x2 must be there. If f of x1 is equal to f of x2 is there, then x1 is equal to x2. This is the algebraic meaning of 1 function, that is injective function. Okay, so that is nothing but what we considered the function f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 we have considered now. So if I put x1 here, you will get what? F of x1 is equal to 2x1 plus 3. Wherever x is there, you have to put x1. Here wherever x is there, you have to put x2, that is f of x2 is equal to 2x2 plus 3 you will get. When we consider this condition, f of x1 is equal to f of x2, if these two are equal, you can say here f of x1 is equal to f of x2. If it is there, then you can say 2x1 plus 3 is equal to 2x2 plus 3. This is the condition, correct? So here 3 get cancelled, so remaining here 2x1 is equal to 2x2. So here 2 get cancelled, so x1 is equal to what? x2 will get. See here, if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then x1 is equal to x2 you will get. Then only we can say that it is 1 function or injective function. 1 function or injective function. Okay, in the same way for this, now we have studied about 1 injective function. Now we will go for many one or surjective onto function or a surjective function you can say. Okay, one example we will consider here, so that you will get here in many one surjective we will consider again the same function, real to real. So we will consider one function f of x is equal to x square. Then what happens? Okay, so this is the domain and this is the codomain. If you put one value here, f of 1, what is f of 1 here? 1. So if you put here -1, you will get again -1 square is 1. If you put 2 here, you will get here 2 square is 4. If you put -2, you will get what here? Again you will get 4. Correct. So this can be written as, see here, both we are having the same element. So you can write this one 1 -1 2 -2. When you put the real number, you will get here 1, here 4. So these two elements are having the same image and these two elements are having same image. So many one, name itself many one, many elements having only one image in codomain, many elements in domain having one image in codomain, like that you can say. In previous what here in 1 each element in domain having one image in codomain we have studied, as name itself indicates Now many one means what? Many elements are combining to have only one image in the codomain. This is your domain and this is your codomain. Okay, so you can have, now see, for example, here we have considered f of x is equal to x square we have considered. So if you put here x1, as we studied in 1 injective, if you put here x1 and x2, you will get f of x1 is equal to f of x2 if you consider. So f of x1 is what here? This will be what? x1 square. So it will be f of x2 means it will be x2 square. So if these two are equal, f of x1 is equal to f of x2. If they are equal, then you can say that here x1 square is equal to x2 square. Taking square root on both sides, x1 is equal to x2. No, that is not the solution. You can take this one, x1 square minus x2 square is equal to 0. You can consider, so that this is like a square minus b square. So you can take here x1 minus x2 into x1 plus x2. If you take, so each this term is equal to 0, this term is equal to 0, means x1 minus x2 is equal to 0, or x1 plus x2 is equal to 0. This you will get. So here x1 is equal to x2 you are getting, here it is x1 is equal to minus x2 you are getting. See here, to say it is 1 1, here only x1 is equal to x2 we should get, but here two different are there. x1 is equal to x2, x1 is equal to minus x2, two different are you are getting. So many elements are forming to have only one image in the codomain like this. Okay, so now I hope you got the idea. Okay, here for this x1 square minus x2 square, you got two here. Okay, two elements are having only one image. Okay, now we will have another again types in 1 1 and many one. Okay, now in 1 1 again two types, 1 1 onto 1 1 into. In many one onto many one into. Okay, we will see how we will prove. Okay, so think that there is a, for this 1 1 onto, how to prove this one. So think that this is a domain and it is a codomain. Okay, so in this one, codomain should be equal to range. Codomain should be equal to range, means y, this is x, this is y, means y should be is equal to f of x. These all it should be equal. So for example, here 1 2 3 some elements are there, here also some 1 2 3 are there. So it is with this is associated with this, and 3 is associated with this, means here no element is empty here. All elements here you are having the image in codomain. So here this range, this codomain is equal to this range. In such case we can say the function is 1 1 onto. When we say 1 1 into, okay, 1 1 into, when you say 1 1 into, we can say 1 1 into when the domain and codomains are there. So some elements are there like this, here it is associated with this, and it is associated with this, and it is associated with this. So all the elements here images are equal to domain, so it is 1 1 onto. But if any element, one or more than one element is remaining empty like this, no elements are having here, and here it is extra, means one or more extra, if it is empty like this, okay, then you can say that it is 1 1 into. Otherwise if it is equal, it is 1 1 onto. Here if it is like this, one or more than one elements are remaining extra in the codomain, then you can say that it is 1 1 into. In the examination, if how to prove 1 1 into, then it is enough to say that whether it is 1 1 function or not. After knowing that it is 1 1 function, after knowing that it is 1 1 function, you have to prove that it is 1 1 onto or not. If it is 1 1 onto, there is no question of 1 1 into. If it is 1 1, if it is not 1 1 onto, then you can say that it is 1 1 into. Okay, and there is no particular method to find 1 1 into here, but you can say here if it is not 1 1 onto, you can say that 1 1 into function is there. If it is not 1 1 onto, then it is 1 1 into. Very careful. Okay, this is very important. Okay, in the same way we can have here also same. In the many one function there are two types, many one onto and many one into. Here also same thing. Here one element is there, here domain is there, here it is codomain is there. For example, x and y are there, x is a domain, y is a codomain. So here like this two elements are having here, and many one means two or more than two, or one or more than two elements are having only one image. Suppose it is like this, like this. Here also range is equal to codomain, here also codomain is equal to a range. Okay, range of the codomain. Okay, then also you can say that it is many one onto function, you can say. Okay, because here range is equal to codomain, or you can say here this is y is equal to f of x, means this whatever here we are having now, this is f of x. Okay, so for example, in another way you can say what is that, y is equal to f of x means here suppose that this is the domain and you are having here codomain, and it is defined as y and it is defined by x, and from here to here it is a function f. Then you can say that it is domain, here it is, if the element is x, then you will get what here, f of x you will get. If it is x, here it is, you will get f of x. So in this one, if some elements are there like this, so this is nothing but your range you can say, and this is your codomain you can say. Okay, I hope you are understanding very well. So please listen carefully. So when the range is equal to codomain, then we can say that many one onto function is existing. Similarly, when we say many one into, okay, same concept we are using as we used in one function. Okay, so here many one means here also one domain is there, another codomain is there. So like this, one element, two elements are having one image here, like this two elements. I didn't write the element, just example I am giving. So in general, if two elements are having one image here and one is empty here, so here range is not equal to codomain, so we can say this function is many one into. Or you can say here it is again like this, it is there, and one or more than one image is, one element is extra in codomain, then you can say that many one into. To prove many one into, it is not necessary, and we don't have any exact rule to find many one into. So after knowing that it is many one function, you can say that it is many one onto. Then if it is many one onto, there is no question of many one into. If you prove that many one onto, the given function is many one onto, then you can say if you say many one onto function, then there is no question of many one into function. If you say the function, given function is not many one onto, then you can say that it is a many one into function. So in the next class we will have the clarity about how to prove many one function, one function, and this many one onto function, many one into function, one onto function, one into function. Okay, with the examples. So how many types of are there here functions? One onto, one into, many one onto, many one into. There are 4 types. Okay, I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can comment me and you can ask. Okay, thank you.